Yeah. So you started with a good question. What is note making? Uh, how to do the note making exercise, etc. So let us go through that particular thing. See, note making is nothing but making a summary of a passage. Let us take into consideration the lesson, the portrait of the lady that we have done in our class. Okay. So today's session 4 of the day starts with the exercise called note making. So our study today will deal with what is note making and how to do that particular note making without fail. So it is an 8-mark question, which comes under question number under the which comes under the question paper. So you have to understand note making is having two parts. One is making the note and the key to the note and the key to the note. This will carry 5 marks in your question paper. The 5 marks is allocated for this particular person. In the traditional sense, 4 marks were allocated for note and 1 mark was allocated for key. Then you will have summary. The summary comes the second part of the question that you have to write for around 3 marks. So that is again bifurcated into 2 mark for content and 1 mark for title and 1 mark for title. So that is how that note making exercise was divided. So this is having two aspects of that particular thing. That means if you take the summary of the lesson, the portrait of a lady, how many parts you can divide, how many main points you can generate. For example, you have to draw it in a box. For example, this is how that note making passage has to be developed. It has to be in a box. You will be drawing a line like this. Is this particular thing clear? Is the whiteboard clear? Children, is the whiteboard clear? Then you will be drawing a line like this. This is the format part. If you ask me, it should look like this. Okay. Then you will be putting the title over here. What was the title? Any title to that particular passage you can put. You will be given a passage of around 350 to 400 words, for which you will be writing the summary of the main points. I mean, if you have a quick glance over the note you have made, you should be able to recall the major incidents in that particular article. So let us say, for example, the portrait of a lady. So in that particular thing, what are the main thing that you need to mention upon there, that has to be mentioned there. So the first thing that has to be mentioned is a title. If the title is not there, put a title befitting to it in capital letters. Okay. For example, I use the same text, portrait of a lady. Or I use a symbol 1, my mother. Okay. I'm using a symbol 1 here, my mother. It should be inside the box. Since my cursor is not allowing inside that I made it as, it should be inside the box and it should be underlined. It should be on the topmost part of that. It neither should touch the line that is given over there. It should be somewhere here. This is where I wanted that my mother should be there. So in the first point, you will first break it into different points. So which are the major points according to you, which you can find out? Which are the major points which you can make it over there? Is my sound cracking? Is my sound cracking?
No, sir. No, sir.
So when I change the passage into 4 division, narrator's life at point number 1, you can say, I put it as 1, narrator's life in the village. This is point 1. Okay, I'm just telling the major points only. Then I put 2, the second point, narrator's life in the city. Okay, the third point I can make it as the characteristics of the narrator, characteristics of the narrator's grandmother, Then number 4, the strange ways in which she behaved. Fifth, the last days of the grandmother. Last days of the grandmother. This is just a rough division of this particular thing. Like that, any passage will have major points. That major point is taken as the major point. That is point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, and the last. Like that, you should have a minimum of 4 main points and 6. So 4 to 6 main points is ideal. Beyond that, please don't stretch. So once you make that particular main points, under each main point, what you can write? 1.1. What is that topic? 1.2. What comes under that? 1.3. What comes? But it need not be elaborated like this. For a narrators, you can abbreviate as NA. You can put it as NA, that stands for narrator, and you can put an asterisk over there in order to help you that that abbreviation is not again repeated when you prepare the key. You can put an asterisk over there like this. So this says that when you finalize, when you make the key of that particular thing, it will be enable you to identify which are the abbreviations that are you used in your note making. So in the box which I have mentioned just right, you will be writing in the like this, and you will be underlining there. See this particular box, always remember, you will write point number 1 and bring down this title here. That is narrator's life in the village. In village also can be abbreviated as per your convenience. You can write in the village. You can write VG and put an asterisk there in order to highlight what that particular thing is. The idea of using asterisk is to help you to take all these abbreviations down to the key to the notes. Children, do you understand what I mean by key to notes? Children, do you understand what I mean by key to notes? Key to notes is the what you mean by a shortcut to understand what are the abbreviations that are used in this particular note making scenario. It looks like this. After you're making the keys, etc., you will down below, either the place is down below or before the summary. That is up to your discretion. You will be making like this. You will be putting a title over there. The title is key to abbreviations. Here you will be making an abbreviation, key to the note or key to abbreviation. So whatever XYZ you can mention over there. Then you will have three rows over here. This is SL number row. The next is abbreviation. Whatever the abbreviation that you are using there, you will be mentioning. And the third is the explanation of this abbreviation. For example, if I'm mentioning, it looks like this. It should look like this. So you can mention that SL number, abbreviation, expansion. Please write the title here. SL number, abbreviation, expansion. Expansion means what that particular thing says. So I put it as number 1, narrator. Am I right? So what was the abbreviation that I used here? I used as NA. So you will be writing over here, number 1, NA means narrator. Children, are you getting my point? Children, am I with you? Children, am I with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what will you
Yes,
write
sir.
here? What will you write here? In this area, what will you write? SL number, serial number. What will you write here? What is the heading here? What heading should come here? It should be written as abbreviation. Then 1, what is the abbreviation? My first abbreviation is NA. What does it mean? Expansion. Expansion is narrator. Second, I use GM. If I use the abbreviation GM, then the expansion is grandmother. If I use government, GOVT, as an abbreviation, then I should explain the expansion government. Children, now do you understand what you mean by key to abbreviations? Children, do you get what you mean by key to abbreviations now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me come to what comes into this particular thing. So under 1, life of the narrator in the village. So 1.1, what did the grandmother and the narrator do in the village? That can be 1.1. 1.2, what did the grandmother do in order to make him to study? But you will not be using in full sentence. You will not be using in full sentence. Yeah, Sanjay, for writing the summary also, you have to write it in a box. That box is equal to your classified advertisement. You will draw a box. Am I right? Let me not come there right now. I will finish it. Then I'll come back to you. Sanjay, you just listen here. That should be like this. After this key, first comes the notes, then comes the key, and the third comes what you call it as that particular thing. It should look like this. It is a rectangular in shape. 1 line below the half page, that is the measurement. 1 line below the half page. Okay, 100 words is the limit. Your word limit is 100. Then at 1 centimeter, you will be drawing another line like this, similar to your classified ad. Okay. You will write here summary. You will mention over the title. The heading should be there, summary. And then the same title which you used here will be replaced here. You will be having the same title. You will summarize the main ideas, only main ideas using simple sentences. You will summarize the main ideas given in your passage using simple sentences. Okay. You will not draw this line unless you finish those particular things. You will not draw this line unless you finish, because 1 centimeter down, there is no harm. But it should not lose that square property or rectangular, most probably the rectangular property at any cost. That means if this is the margin, if this is your paper margin, it should look like this. It should definitely look. You are not supposed to use the paper margin as one of the margins over there. Then after completing it, you will be writing here 100 words. Don't feel somebody will count you, but that is the rule there. You will be writing over there 100 words in bracket. It should come over here. So this is a summary of the note.
After summary, sir.
After summary, this is what will you write here? You will be writing here summary. Okay. Then after writing, then you will have the same title which you have already given over here. Lokesh, you see a title here. This may be there in the passage, or you can create a title of your own. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So the same title is brought here. Then you summarize the main ideas using simple sentences and keywords of the passage. And the keywords of the passage. So Lokesh and Sanjay, Shakina, please listen here. Once you finish this particular summary, then you will be drawing a line to complete this box. Did you get my point?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there is a full stop over here. You are putting a full stop before you close your box. There is a full stop over here before you. This is your last line. Imagine this is your last line. Imagine this is your last line which you have completed. Last sentence is this. Am I right? This is your last sentence. After putting the period over here, I mean full stop over here, start a bracket and write 100 words. Close it. Then you draw the last line which you're supposed to draw. Children, did you get my point? Children, did you get it? Any doubts? Can I get an answer? Did you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us go through. Now you understood what are the ingredients of note making. Number one, this is called as the note. Okay, no title required, but this should be the specimen in which you have to draw the box. After the thing is over, how it represents, you will divide that particular essay into whichever manner you wanted. But when you divide that particular thing, you should see that it have a head. The first point should be the head, then the body, then the next thing, I mean development. Body includes development also, then the conclusion. That means it should have a logical progression. For example, a biography of a person is given. So what will be the head in that passage? You should look for his birthplace, okay, his parental information. All those things comes under point number 1. Then high school days, that comes under point number 2. His academic education comes under point number 3. His career as a scientist or as a social reformer comes under point number 4. The progression should be like that. Children, do you get my point? Did you get my point? It should not be like a film was there in Tamil, where I think Sandhanam and J.M. Ravi was the character, and both of them goes to a dummy shop, a very old antique shop, and they break a statue there. Which is that particular film? And after that, they are forced to refix it, and when they refix it, the stomach became the abdominal, I mean the chest part, and the chest part become the upside down. But it was appreciated and somebody has bought it. In film, it is okay. But when you write a summary, it should have intro, development, and conclusion. What is the development, conclusion, etc.? That is what I said. If it is a biography, then it is birthplace, early education, university education, his contribution as a social reformer or whatever XY said. For example, if it is a biography of Rajaram Mohan Roy given for your study. So when he was born, his parental information, his early education, his university education, the social reformation that he had done to the Indian society. So this will be bifurcated into 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, did you get my point? Children, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Imagine it is a given a description about Tamil Nadu. The entire passage is about Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu's geographical longitude and latitude information is given. How is the origin of Tamil Nadu is given. The state of when it, so that comes under point number 1. After that, it is given the cultural significance of Tamil Nadu. There are details about that. You can make it as point number 2. Historical significance of Tamil Nadu, point number 3. Cultural festivals of Tamil Nadu is given in the passage, point number 4. Like that, you have to have a chronological development of your ideas. Children, now do you get some ideas? ഒരു പാരഗ്രാഫ് എടുത്താൽ ഒരു പാസേജ് എടുത്താൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ടു തിങ്ക് അബൌട്ട് ഹൗ ഐ ക്യാൻ ക്രോണോളജിക്കലി ഡെവലപ്പ് ദ മെയിൻ പോയിന്റ്സ് ടു the first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority. See, when I say about a passage about Tamil Nadu, which deals about the geographical significance, historical significance, religious significance, tourist places, except the origin, longitude and latitude, you can arrange the other ideas as you wish. For example, Lokesh has arranged like this: longitudinal information, point number 1. Point number 2 is historical importance. Point number 3 is cultural importance. Point number 5 is historical places. But Shakina in the class has arranged like this. She has arranged the longitudinal information first, then she gave the importance to tourist places, number 2. Number 3, cultural significance. Number 4, historical significance. There is no harm, nobody will penalize your marks. Okay, how much you can have a chronological development, that is the most important thing that we are looking into it. How well you can take the most important points from that particular thing. I'll give you one example there. Everybody like pineapple juice, am I right? Or mango juice. How many of you in this class likes mango juice? A rich thing, mango juice or a pineapple juice, if given at this point of the day, how many of you will say no? Okay, Subhash, let us go into the kitchen. Let us start making pineapple juice. First, what will you do? You will chisel away all the skins of that particular thing. You will de-skin that pineapple and make the pineapple ready for. Then you will put it into small bits. Put into your jar. Put some water into it, or whatever way you want it. Put some ice and just put some sugar and put it in the mixer for 5 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever X, Y, Z until it. Then what will you do, Subhash?
Sir, add sugar.
From the jar you will directly drink, or you will strain that sugar, strain that juice using a
Strain the juice and take the pure juice
hello,
in the separate glass.
in a separate glass. The same thing only we are doing. We are filtering the passage using a stainer, that is our reading and comprehension of that particular thing, and we are only using the juice as the notes. Okay, we are using only the juice as the notes. Again, if you strain, you will get the most thickest part of the juice. That is your summary. Children, do you get my point? Children, did you get my point? Children, thanks for your any doubt? So let us work with an example over here to make it more clear.
Sir,
Let us go by an example to look it more clear. Now, is the MS Word clear to you? Is the MS Word file clear to you? Children, can I have a response from you, my dear? உயிரோடு இருக்கா இல்லையா அதங்களும் ஒன்று சொல்ல முடியுமா? Hello, am I audible to you? Okay. So,
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
so fine. So this is your title topic, the theme topic. This is your point number 1, which is mentioned here. For example, if it is a passage about Tamil Nadu, then the geographical significance, that is the point number 1. Under that, what all information that is coming, that is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. You will write 1 here, leave a space, then only you will be writing 1.1. Underneath 1.2, underneath 1.3. Children, are you clear? So the second important point you will be mentioning about it, the cultural significance that you will mention over there. third, the next important line, the fourth, and the next important point. So what are those important points is your discretion. Under that particular point, what are the sub points? Forget about the additional sub points which are given over there. You will be only writing one underneath. Minimum 3 points should be there. 3 points is enough. 3 sub points are enough. 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Children, are you getting my point?
Sir, then 1.1.1.
That is not required. Don't complicate as of now. Okay. 1.3.1 is that it means that 1.3 is having further sub classifications. You forget about it, Logesh. Just remember like this. Okay. You will be arranging your ideas like this. Do you understand? Now is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. For example,
Yes, sir.
let us a passage about Logesh's birth or Shakina's birth or Shakina's biography or Ashika's biography or anybody's XYZ student sitting here. So the point number 1 is childhood days. Am I right? Under childhood days, what all information are given, you will be again putting it into sub points 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. We need only 3 to 4 sub points in that particular passage. Did you get my point? Okay. Then schooling days. Under that, I have a next heading, schooling days. Shakina went to this school. Shakina studied in this school till this particular period. From 8th standard onwards, maths was her important topic for fourth. So all whatever comes under 2 will be writing 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Able to understand? Logesh, did you get the point? Sanjay, do you getting my point? Then Sanjay went to university. Then Sanjay went to university. Time at the university. Time at the university. 3.1. He took physics as his main subject. 3.2. He secured first rank. 3.3. Like that it goes. 4. Professional life. What is his contribution? 4. Sanjay developed a rocket. 4.2. The rocket was like that. So when you look into it, see how it is in a passage about Tamil Nadu. Kindly look into it. One is classical dance. So it is a passage about classical dance. First point is classical dance. Under that, these were the sub points. See how abbreviations are used. Evolved from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu can be abbreviated as TN. This thing is also abbreviated over there. So you can use the abbreviation there. Then in ancient India, what was classical dance? 2.1, part of a theater. 2.2, dance drama performed in. That are all summaries from that particular passage which is taken into consideration. Now, did you get at least a summary of how to do the note making exercise? How to do the note making? How the note will appear? Do you have an idea now? Children, do you have an idea now? Children, can I get a reply?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Supposed to do a key to abbreviation. See, this is what all abbreviations are used. Serial number, your abbreviation, what does abbreviation stands for? Kindly please look into that. What all abbreviations that I have used in this particular passage, I have decoded it over here. This is my abbreviation. This is my expansion. I have only added one more row here, SL number, abbreviation, expansion. That should be very much important. So kindly please mention that while you draw the box. So see where the box comes after the note, immediately after it, you will make a title, key to abbreviations, and then draw the box. This will carry 1 mark of the 5 marks awarded in that particular question. Children, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. After that, you have to write the summary which is mentioned over there. it should look like this. You will write in the format and example, you will write summary. You will write the expansion summary. You will write the title over here as mentioned there. But you will draw a line over here. You can draw a line bifurcating that particular thing. You can put, and then don't draw this particular line now. You will start writing your summary. Once the summary is completed, you will draw this particular line. Okay. Excuse me. So this is how that particular thing looks like. The title is the same, and that abbreviation and summary is given there. My dear, kindly please keep quiet. This is a summary to the expansion of that particular passage. Children, do you get the point now?
Training era.
Excuse me, can I have you to keep quiet? Excuse me, who is talking? Please kindly keep quiet. Who is talking over there? Now I think it can be improved by practice. Anyway, don't leave that particular question unattempted so that we may consider for giving you the scores. So any doubt in note making as of now?
No, sir.
Anybody in this class? So now let us look into the next aspect of important, that is grammar. You have to be thorough with the determiners and tenses. You will determiner, tenses and sentence reordering. We limited the syllabus of grammar to that particular thing. You have less than 10 marks coming up there. Hello. Children, please switch off your mics. When it is supposed to on, please on it. Okay. So children, kindly please look into that particular aspect, determiners. John sir has shared a note in the group also. You can look into that particular thing. But I would like to give a rough summary about what are determiners. Maybe the term determiners will be new to you. Anybody have any idea? What does the term determiner mean? You have used it in your day-to-day English. What do you mean by determiners? Determiners. What is the function?
Sir, that is used before noun, sir.
Yeah, very good. That is used before a noun. I mean determiner plus noun. Determiner plus noun. So this is the structure of it. So I